Yeah, people. Mm. So today we're taking a look at Lyriii, him song, big song, Respect. Then, very young youth, a youngster who is no much older than 15, I would assume. You know what I mean? He's no older than 15, and I think he's younger than 15. However, I just don't think he is above 15 years old, right? And this song has been going viral from the TikTok all over social media. Zane, now it's a song where I never did really want to touch. Zane. However, I feel say my voice need to be heard because of what I'm about to say. You understand? So, Jamaica are really new to having very young kids who have shown and proved themselves to be very talented. You get me? From the little Lenny days, back in the 80s, with she have the healthy body, she mind she bunks you with it. And him did also have the next track, where him counteract it like him must say she with the gun in a baggy gigi, she mind she shoot you with it. Pram, oh she got gun in a baggy, pram. So from a long time we've had young kids who have proven themselves to be very talented, can handle themselves well in the studio, and with composing songs as well. However, Lyriii we have here, we don't know much about him as yet to know if he is able to write his own songs, or if his dad is the one who write his song, or have other writers who write these songs and give to Lyriii to, practice and perfect until he's able to deliver them and record them. Understand? So this song is very wild. Um, it promotes criminality, I would say. You know what I mean? And it's like somewhat X-rated, you know what I mean, for a youngster. So I never did really want to touch it because I know say be people have like I've seen some comments, because people don't agree with the lyrics, and some people don't agree to a youngster becoming a superstar, you know what I mean? However, my problem is a youngster promoting criminality, and the X-rated thing. Because, I believe in a lot with the Bible, you know what I mean? And the Bible even make we know say we have to steer the youth them in the right direction. You see what I say? Now, Lyrii's dad, who seems to be a single parent, you know, um, were like taking care of his child. So we have to say big up to the father for know him there on him youth, cause no father miss from the youth them life, whether because of the contention between them and the mother, what we know is very common amongst parents, especially in the black community, you see it. So yeah, as I say, I don't really agree with the lyrics. Um but we're gonna check out in music and express my thoughts and what I have to say, my opinions on all of this. You get what I say? All right, so make we go in it. Listen to me now, sir. You see me now? Shut up and we not gonna tell us why you no more because you don't have a chance. So right there you hear a woman and you can know say it's an adult woman scream out her lungs, like she's actually commanding a man, I would assume, her partner, that he can't leave her, because I saw some masculine woman stay, them very commanding, you know what I mean? Yeah, they're not the one who are submissive. You see what I say? So yeah, that's wild for a little child, you know what I mean? Wait, y'all seen that? And y'all heard that? Like this adult female, I said she and him there, and him can't left. And you see what's going on right here? No, hold on, I can find that. See the woman I sent him off to school. And no, sir, this not look like a mother. Eh? This don't look like a mother. This look like the big woman where I met the talk them. I said she and him there. She, is it me? Yo, this serious. Yeah, so yo, Wagwan. Yo, may I tell you, big man thing. Yo, Jano, I don't know, what I have to say about that? Because for your youth, as I say, I believe so for steer the youth them in the right direction. So not even them sexual content yeah, we should have support a youngster do. We should have, you know, studying books and him schoolwork. You get me? Because at the end of the day, you know, we have to show them the right until them become of age, them choose which route them want take. You know? Just like when Skilly Bang boss and him boss young and him a sing about the choppings and you know, not for the other artists them. However, I find it funny how them band Vibes Cartel who done the first scamming song in a dance hall, they had banned it and then it's like a whole floodgate had opened for these artists to you know come with scamming and I find that very odd. You know, like, and nothing is being done about it. You know what I mean? So now we have kids that come sing about scamming. And may have to blame the father because he is responsible for all of this. You know, it's just wrong. It's just wrong. We had QQ, we had Vibes Cartel, Son, we had Little Lenny, as I'm telling you from way back, and a be a positive song. You know what I mean? Yeah, because even the she with a gun in a baggie, you know what I mean? Mine should shoot you with it. It's really like a woman a defend herself. Like, yo, don't take no check with that woman there. You know what I mean? But still, people they have lick out on it. Like, people they have bash little Lenny and, you know what I mean? It kind of, people believe say the bashing when get, it kind of slow up him career. Um, However, but because of modern day society, even back in the early 2000s when we had QQ, you know, people was okay with it, majority, you know. But then as QQ was doing first girl song I sing about love, I must say now so this little youth and supposed to sing about no love, you know, because his first big song was a banger where QQ was saying better must come, better must come. Some tell you them say don't bust no gun. You know what I mean? And people them like it. And it brought him to stardom. So you know, the youth them for do some positive song, little lyric right here. You know, even respect is a good title, but the content is not so good. Me know one up girl that slap smaddy wife. When his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. Yeah, my people, right now, they don't know it's leprosy, teaching you the powers of telepathy. Right now, I just have to just jump on the camera and say this, because we not really like what we say, where the little artists are going with, you see me? Yeah, because we have to lead the youth them in the right path, you see me? We can't have them promote certain things like scamming and them things, like if you check it, the first artists were underage. You see me? I say we're under him parents, guardian. Him not of age to be considered as an adult as yet. The artist goes by the name Lyriii, Zin, or Lyriii or whatever. You see me? But watch this now, because the father nah deal with the thing properly, you know. The father, you can see the father not educated well enough. From seeing what he in a video in a studio, you know. I know that the father they're not really educated, you know, and that is why education is very important, you know. I will have to steer the youth them in the right way. You see that because she actually tight. So yo, it might chat some big people thing. It might chat some grown up thing. Well, I could go back here, so, and review him lyrics. Go review him lyrics, cause I'll tell her. Is it all them thing there? That's not so bad enough, but I mean, like, you know what I mean? It just was no weird setting, and it's not going down a good path. You see me? Cause even when all QQ are boss, QQ be a positive song QQ a boss with. Better must come and QQ do all him little girl song and him get whole heap of bashing feet as a little youth where I sing for him little girlfriend or I sing boy him little girlfriend, you see me? So if QQ where did I, as a little youth I do be a positive song and still get bashing for him little girlfriend, then what you expect? Because I see all people are talk about how Jamaicans bad mind and a fight down the little youth because we don't want him all no money, and that's why the youth them so evil against people, and you know what I say?
That is just rubbish.
Me no one up, gyal rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize.
You hear them thing there? You see me I say? Him not one up girl, him would have slapped somebody wife. See this young child. As long as the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. Them lyrics say, no, come on people. Where's his mom? Yo, both parents are necessary, you know. You see me? Because you know, sometimes some man just jaja.
She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Miss why my wife because she actually tight.
Yeah, I say she have a tight, you know, and chop on the rice and all them thing there. Where am I get them lyrics there? You know, me not think I'm father write it, you know. Probably a little youth here write it, you know. Because you see the school as them, they're more up to date, more than enough of we adult with what go on with certain things, you know, because the youth them pass on information faster and more, you know, vastly. So them always a work on sharing information. That's why the youth them so bad on the phone and the little technology them more than the parents them. You see me as because them have the time. They have the time. As much as them have school and homework and them have to go in bed early, them have the time. You see me I say them know for work around all of that.
She see why see up on the axio she climb. Stop watch me no axio for time.
Because at the end of the day, may I show you something. You see if, alright, right now, you know, the father exposed the little young youth. If you look on Lyriii face or Lyriii, the little DJ, if you look on him good, you see one good, humble youth. You see me about him father push him, because him father probably aware of him talent. You see me I say? But them for write some good song for him because the father exposed the good little child now to some bad artists who are involved in a criminal, you know. Zane, me nah say Eddie G. Bama we will see with the artist a criminal, but me assure you say the fact that the artist are sing about scamming and beer badness that are going to open him to the negative part of the business for the young artists start link with the scammer them and be a bad people, you see me? And then what you think happen? Them not go respect him bad people because remember, you know, ego run dance all, you know, especially in the negative part. If you now make the little youth do some culture song and some song about the book and some positive tune, don't make your youth a sing about no scamming until him become of certain age and can. You get me I say? Like skilly bang them, enough of them youth they were shub out when them young and left school. You see it? But you can't have the little underage youth promote scamming for make the rest of youngster them think say it's okay for them come sing about scamming too.
You see all them thing there? It's like some bad behaving pitney. Stop watch me, now ask you for time. And all them thing there. Disrespectful. We can't really support them behavior, yeah. You see me I say? God no. We can't support them behavior, yeah.
Up in a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop on the sign. A girl have respect.
Yeah, so that I'm father, you know. I'm father, this I believe, you know. I play as the teacher, I get detention. Seeing? Now the father look like him love the limelight thing too, you know. Seeing? And this giving the child Jaja, giving the child them topic you have to sing about and them type of lyrics, yeah, it just it just got motivate other youth for one get involved in doing the same. Worse when them see people applaud them thing, yeah. You get what me I say? Me not support it. As I said the Bible say lead the youth them you know the right part. You get me I say of righteousness. So we can't support them thing, yeah. Yeah, when them grow older, them decide to choose whatever part them want take.
When me see stop on the sign. A girl have respect. France she see dragga she want to kiss snake and France she see half a mil all a big stick.
Because watch you now. When the little youth them see say be people happy and a cheer on this little youth here where I sing about scamming. Where you think the rest of little youth them are do? Them are go on forward with the same scamming and other negative thing for run down clout. You see me? So if the little youth talented, really talented, can do some positive song. The father write some positive song for the man and make him forward out. Cause talent a talent, you know. See? We have QQ. We boss when him young with positive song, better must come. We have little vibes and little addy. We give a couple tune well we positive from them young. You see what I say? So we need Lyriii for do some positive song, man. Because two song me hear from him, Sealer. Two song me hear from him, and the song them, yo.
You see that? Say girl have to have respect. Jaja do. It's like, yo, that's a. Believe it. Yo, my chop still, you know. I can't keep up. Because I'm not listening it from what the you know. May I tell you, but I see it all over social media. Is it another part that stand out? So girl have to have respect.
She want to kiss neck and front. She see half a mil all a big tech.
You see that? She all want for kiss neck. And from she see half a mil, a quick take. You see what I say? From she see it, you know, him get her. Take her away. From just want to show it to her. So the song give detail to how them chopper your work. Cause so them flash them money and make some woman see and them know the woman them are gonna draw closer. See? Yeah. I just yo, I gonna say some things when you know we clear through this.
A one life either you go live boring or you risk dead. Link up Bullz and need them. The money
Yeah, the lyrics them tight, you know. They might take risk and we must show you say neck of a slice from a man now move right. You see me?
either you go live boring or you risk dead. Link up Bullz and need them. The money
Yeah, I noticed that you the in a video, you know, don't know if a family, possibly close friend, probably my writer, who knows. But the Virginia see him in other thing, you know, most of the content them with Lyriii.
Alright, watch what I go on. Me I show you some me a prophecy. Watch and see how fast Lyriii and him father are gonna get disrespected. Because it already started, you know. Because watch you now. I see the father introduce. No, I never the father, next man in the studio, introduce Lyriii or Lyriii to blam them. And Lyriii even show blam them respect by taking off him hat or him pullover for make blam them can see him face, you see me? Because as a youngster you have to know proper brought up see. And that is showing respect and manners. As a little youth, from back in the days, them gesture they come from far. Where as a youngster, you have to take off your hat when you're being welcome or approached. And you know, when you're being approached or being welcomed by an adult. As a youngster, you have to, them would normally take off them hat. You get me, as a sign of respect. So we see say Lyriii is a well-respected, manageable, bright boy. I put my head on the block for that, say he's a bright boy. I feel say he's a youth where he made quick. I remember say him have to memorize him line them when he must sing the song them, you know. So him have good memory skill in brain at work. You see me? But the father opened him to some negativity.
them. The money stink like mud when he cake up over in a big Benz. Don't know Range Rover in a zinc fence. Don't
Yo, Jaja know. I don't know what to say people, but all I want to make you know people say this is wrong. You see what I say? This is wrong. You them in them school uniform celebrate this negativity. And the father don't really know what he mad with you know. Because guess what going on? This just open young youth here. If you check out, if you look Lyriii in him face, you can see say one good youth. You may say, I mean looks can be deceiving. But even the video, Zane, there's a video circulating with someone in the studio introducing Blam them to Lyriii over a video call, Zane, right? So they were FaceTiming, and the guy in the studio introduced Lyriii to Blam them. And Blam them, Lyriii actually took off his pullover, which is a sign of respect. So I know say Lyriii is a very manageable youth, and him know well. See, and it seems as if him have good brought up, see. Because the fact say when he's being introduced to Blam them, him take off him pullover. That gesture has been coming down from ancient days, where kids have to take off their hat when greeting an adult, you know what I mean, or elder. They would have to take off their hat to show respect. So for see Lyriii do that, I find it very applaudable. You know what I mean? So I respect that. I'm gonna say a youth with him, with him brains a function. Him brilliant. Him seems brilliant. However, Blam them replied after getting that such respect from the little child. Blam them replied saying, "Go on a school, bumble. Excuse my language, but yo, I was shocked, and I was sad for Lyriii. And but the father caused these things because I can't blame them for that. Me can't blame them for that. You know what I mean? And probably yeah, we can say him go too hard. But I mean, this is shocking to take in this. Because I don't know what to say when I see all of this youth in a uniform, I sing about all these things and you know what I mean? The negative energy. Judge and know. Yo, make we continue.
No Range Rover in a that I'm fixie. Rich already and me I want pitney. Some other youth just a yap like Bixby.
Cause watch ya now. After Lyriii take off him pullover him hat, for sure Blam them him face and sure Blam them respect, Waiting Blam them said to the little youth. Blam them said to Lyriii or Lyriii what him want him say. Yo, go on a school bumper wall. Jano. Yo, it hurt my feeling when Blam them said that to the little youth. But what? I can't ever diss Blam them for that because the man Blam them is disgust for see. He's very disgusted for see the little youth a promote them negativity there. I'm sure no say if Blam them did hear the youth a promote some positive songs like QQ, he would not send the youth to school. Then, and watch how much more disrespect come. Right now, we know the father put the youth there at certain risk of being mentally like drained. Because fans them can beat the youth bad, Then, and it's not like say the youth are gonna have bright people that defend him. A be done spot are gonna defend him in the comments. I talk about low youth and make the little youth rich. Richness is not all about life. It's not all, you know?
Yo, see all them thing up? Where's her hands? Look at where her hands is. So my boast on the other kids are say him rich and him a pitney, and all these things. Look where her hands is located. Like, we're seeing a lot of teachers, because this is a teacher, obviously, who is, trying to arouse Lyriii here in the video. And we see where a lot of teachers have been sentenced to prison for these type of affiliation. You know what I mean? Because this is a sort of a harassment, essay, you know. This is sort of an assault to have such an adult, you know. So I know say we are Jamaican, we grew a rough certain way, and even my generation of people kind of we get away with a lot of things like this, no lie, right? And yes, we're proud of it and talk about it, and when we were kids. However, different time now because everything is being televised, and like on a large scale. So we have to be careful with certain content what we are put out there, we can't really promote this.
I'm say six like they come in a Dixie. No local fish and if I that fire my cheese stick a be a bad bitch. They are such a killer G-sticks out.
Oh my goodness. You hear what him say? He said the B word. And a be a bad B. Can't support it. Rang bang. You can get couple rang bang, big rang bang. You know what I mean? Yeah, we see both male teachers and female teachers being sentenced to prison. More in America too for this than Jamaica. Because you'd quicker to see like a Jamaican teacher, male teacher being sentenced to prison for, having a relationship with a female student. However, on the flip side, with a female teacher having a relationship with her male student who is underage, they may just suspend her and they may just strip her of her teaching certificate or whatever license that it is they have to teach, you know, and or may just fire her and she have to seek another teaching job elsewhere. You know what I mean? So the thing not really balance. Yeah, but it messed up. This is messed up.
Who still a brag over flip cash and flip brick rich off for Mr. Kyle and Mrs. Trish. I mean, no one up.
Enough people want to take the shortcut too much. Love the shortcut. Because when you say make we make the youth make money and sing about scamming, that is like people saying, yo, no allow Andrew make him rob the money out of the country and rich. You get me I say? Are the same thing. Because it's a shortcut that the whole of them are take for get rich. You get me? Too much people want the shortcut. See there? Football or whatever them are going with over there. Them play some little scrimmage and netball more time. You see it? But yeah man, yo, the father for wise up. And the father need to go to school too. Because big man thing, the father not very smart. Then, not smart. Enough people think say the youth can't bust with positive song. Like enough people feel like say you have to do negative song forget attention. That's because them not smart. Conscience, even youngster boss what they with positive song. Because in positive song bad.
And him no one up, not woman. You see what I say? Yeah, look at how the woman are behaving. Like the video is wild, 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 wild. It's at work. I subscribe to him on thing, just for because I'm a vlogger. So we want to see, keep posted or what go on so we can bring you any little information where, people are, going crazy about. Because this I gonna have a lot of interest. Like people are gonna have a lot of interest and things to say about all this that is going on here.
Gyal, me rather slap smaddy wife. And the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice.
Yeah, so I'm going back to the chorus. I say, I want somebody wife and, from the thing clean and crotch sanitize and 3 piece and chop on the rice. As I say, I don't know when get them lyrics there. But we're going to find out soon, sooner or later.
So why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see up on the axio she climb. Stop what?
Stop watch me, man, ask you for time.
Enough of them artists, I'm gonna tell you what them are do. Yes, when them a make some gun song and some bad song with negativity, them put enough vibes and energy in a them song there. Yes, when the artists them a make some positive song, them just do some little cheap, quick writing sketch up and say, yo, it's a positive song there. I want people run down them little boring positive song. While them a make the negative song them with all of the high energy them and all of the niceness them are put in the negative song. You see, if them put all of them energy there in the positive song and make sure it's nice, then them positive song would sell off. But that's why the positive song them not gonna away, Cause the man them not put not much, no spice them not put in the positive song them. And then them want cuss the fans them and talk about. The fans them not listen to a positive song them when we put it out. So why we listen Yaksta positive song? Because the man positive song did bad. Why we listen Chronics them positive song? Cause it bad. When you start put some energy in a positive song them and make them boss. Because I love take the little shortcut them. You see me? For run down money. When money is not everything.
Sick. But age, no right. The song bad. However, I'm not support this song being sung by an underage child. You know what I mean? So we have to put the father in place, As soon as we get through with this, we have to put the father in place.
Me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop funny line. Guess me a press when missy stop funny sign.
Gas him a press when him say stop on the sign. So therefore, him a tell people him say him a broke stop light and stop sign. See him? Gas him a press. However, not necessarily because it can just mean the drive where him have for the music. Cause at that more time an artist mean, 'cause as an artist myself, you know, it just can mean a different thing than what actually I say. You know what I mean? So when him say stop sign, gas him a press. But it just can be parables.
The funny not funny coast. Fast make a milli from me calls for the phone. Never born with the riches, with it partially poor with.
Him a chat, when him a chat something, man. You see me, him never born with riches. Him did actually poor or partially poor. I mean that means him a never the worst. So yeah, I do like the lyrics and the name, Lyriii. Maybe when him become an adult, him name a go become lyrics. Cause him full of lyrics still.
Try get limited up because of the core. We use bank like a hard that she store, but I
Him got a surgical work and him use bank like Arbadash store.
never try and I go check it bar for me clothes. She high but I no cigar when she smoke and the sun a shine, but it do be hard to be cold.
You see me? Alright, may I show you. You see if Lyriii did for do positive song, eh? I do Marley them would surround the youth and look for the collab. People like Chronics them, Protege, be a good clean-hearted people would link with the little youth. Good people would link with the little youth if him did do good positive song. But you see the fact same father make him do negative song, I be a negative bad man I go link with him. And that I put him life at risk. Even the father life is at risk. Just for do them song there. Cause him a mix himself now with bad artists and scammer and them thing there. You see me? So people are for smart and people don't now feel like say them like the little chat where them a make like when allow the youth and we bad mind and a bad mind. We want the best for the little youth. But you have to make the youth the good song for end up in a good circle of people. You do bad song with the little boy, a bad people he might end up with it. That's why you have Eddie G Bomber already and some of the scammer them gravitate to him because them energy they are put out. So the father they need for go to school too and Lyriii need for go write some song about book or the father need for make him get some good positive song. That's it, I'm out.
Yo, me I tell you say 1.2 million views in a 2 weeks the dog rack up. I mean like him never did have to sing, but all these things for go viral, you know what I mean? Because him actually can angle himself, him a chap. See? So once them put enough of these energy in a positive song, like you know what I mean? Like the choppings and the vibes, all of them energy that me I talk about. If him put it in a positive song, he would get even a better reaction. Because now him father put him in a position where him surrounding where him develop now can become too dangerous for him, And it will without a doubt. Because them youth here right now, them love clout and clout are the new drugs. Getting attention. People will do anything to get attention. You know what I say? Not even money much so, but attention. So the fact they do them song, it will gravitate to the chopper them, right? The chopper artists them. And we already seen the result with Eddie G. Bama who have been made the police list, which not saying me agree with the police them without them deal with Eddie G. Bama down and Mobile for, not agreed to issue him permit or promoters permit to have him perform at their event, show, whatever. You know what I mean? I don't really agree with.
The bunny coast, bunny not. Grand pity they are from me holes, my daughter. The bill them off if you for she host my partner. She
Yeah, my people. So as me I telling you, you can see the results. It kind of attract the wrong set of people around Lyriii right now with the lyrics them way him a put out. It's like it attract some dangerous people around him. We already seen Eddie G Bomber and some of the other artists them we promote and help for, the Lyriii strength. We already seen the type of people them where him song a gravitate to. So that is very dangerous for this youngster, you know what I mean? And the father too, which the father should have smart enough to know, say, yo, that not really what him want for him youth, cause that is an environment now. We don't see what reach Eddie G by mine now. Seeing what the police them are ban him from performing. What the police them do, them refuse from giving promoters permit for any event that will be hosting Eddie G Bama, because they don't want him to perform because of him song when him sing. Not saying I support that what the police them doing, but me just assure you, say already him song attracting some dangerous people, because to the public, Eddie G Bama is kind of mark with that, because that's how the system kind of mark you and we, you know what I mean? So Eddie G Bama have to know and tread lightly now, because you don't want too much upstir for, you know what I mean, with the system and the police them of your prayer. So yeah, and we see other artists too where, you know, so it don't really look good. And then if the father did smart now, when him would have know say, yo, if the youth had do some positive songs in, then it would attract some positive people like the protege them, the even the coffee and the chronics and them people, the positive the vibes them. This so now would be a much safer environment for your youth, because I have positive artists them around him. You know what I mean? Artists where even some big man were vintage artists, them would have support him if him fine. Cause we see them treat QQ said way. People were very proud of QQ. You know what I mean? And him sang them was positive and he was talented. Improve himself. So but nowadays, everybody I take shortcut, the quicker way to receive wealth, and we can't put money in front of certain things. Is right? Yeah, some adult lifestyle. Have, some adult lifestyle. This you what you talk about and thing. You have to say, yo, what is this? Cause when you look as a young child, you have to wonder what you know about them thing there. You see it? So it's crazy. It's crazy, crazy.
See a couple milli on the Porsche and the jazz cap. She say me have a great house and the palm and me dog there richer than Scotia me knock cap.
Dog, them richer than Scotia, I'm not cap. It match at a bag of thing. But uh what you feel like the song I feel say most of the thing them with this, the thing with this, because the traction, the whole heap of views is the fact that him young, and the fact that him young combined with the fact that he must sing about some X-rated thing, and the video just loud, and he might use expletives, you know what I mean, bad biatch and all these things.
Me say me knock cap, me not fit that. Why? Me know me and me rather stretch than the wife. When the skin clean and the
I'm glad I brother the head one sanitize. I don't know, the stylings them go with it. You see, the stylings them go right there. So I'm sure the young youth them, Jaja, this not look good. This not look good. I mean, them do it every day, See, because we youth them every day. Kerchief and gangsterism. But I mean, if we load it up, so it's a different thing. It's a different thing. Which some have to be done for change all of this. You know what I mean? But I guess the world are never really meant to be like all peaceful and righteous, because the all peaceful life and all righteous life is promise, is what God promised to man in the next life. So this world, I guess, was made to run with, a lot of disturbance. Yeah, cause this is disturbing. You know what I mean? It's disturbing. Can't really promote it. When the axio should climb, you them show out in a uniform and thing. Girl have to have respect. Everybody have to have respect. Now I'm very disappointed with the father now, because As I say, him should have know better. Zine. And I done tell you say him a attract the wrong crowd around him. So I can tell you say just look out for ear say him get disrespected whether the father in a some confrontation with some artist or something. You know, I remember say music work not so easy, you know, it's not a easy work, you know, when you start tour and them thing there, you know what I mean? Like you have to remember them thing the way you put the youth under the stress and all of that. You have to make him know what for over prepare for them thing then to look out to because artist work is not a easy road. You know what I mean? Yeah, serious thing. Serious, serious. And as myself I see blame them, they have to diss the youth. Seeing after the youth got some show blame them respect by pulling off his hoodie. Seeing? And blame them see him, blame them say go on to school but what like yo, may I tell you say yo, me just tell you say me can't really blame them because him should have sing some positive song. Because once the youth them see people applaud them behavior and them um you know lifestyle and once the youth them see people applaud them thingers in, them are gonna feel like it's okay to come do the same thing. So you soon have some more little man a run out and I do say them a artist and I do chopping song. You see it would have better for no say if him it would have better if him did freestyle a song in a video with a rhythm a play. You know what I mean? And make it go viral and then him release a positive song, right? And a positive song with some life and some of them energy. Because I tell you, not for the artists them put more of the niceness in the negative song them gun song and them scamming song them full of style and bad sound and you know, whole heap of little vibes. But when them do them positive song now, it's like them not put much into it. Not no much into it. It just you know, it's just some little simple thing, quick sketch up thing, and then them want to tell people say people now listen to them positive song when them release it. Not now on a positive song. We now put most of the energy in the negative song them. You see what I said? That's why people now listen to the positive song them with the artists them I put out. Because if you look, you know, even though a couple of years now since Yaxter bus, you can know say it seems like I just what year. Really, you see? Because I know the scamming era in bus with that positive song there. So people love positive song once it's done well. That's why Chronics could have come mash up the place. The name, Walipa reggae artists, Protege them, Jesse Royal. None of them can come mash up the place because them put a lot in them positive music. But none of them dancehall artists when them do a positive song, it's like the cheapest work them do. Not no much no going like them not try to make it nice, them not try to make nothing about it more than just this one, you know, one dead vibes. And then they must say, boy, nobody now listen to positive song them and put them out. So who you want to listen to that when you're not putting the effort in them? So I say people. So the father now, yo, you can tell so the father not really educated to, you know. From a see him, you know, in the video, you know, with him son, you know. You see him? And you can see so the father love the limelight. Is that it? I don't think QQ father did love the limelight thing so. I swear. Cause I just QQ really I see most of the time, you know. See? But you can tell so the father yeah go expose himself very often around the youth, like the visuals them. You get me? Like yo, you have to have something about you man because they serious. They serious. Well, I don't know what more for say. I don't know what more for say.